Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong April 23. Excuse me. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung paano magmahal ng walang kapalit. This relates to the topic of foreknowledge na makikita natin sa Romans chapter 8 verses 29 to 30 na nagsasabing, "For those God foreknew, He also predestined to be conformed to the image of His Son, that He might be the firstborn among many brothers and sisters. And those He predestined, He also called. Those He called, He also justified. And those He justified, He also glorified." Sa Tagalog, sapagkat ang mga nakilala niya ng una pa ay itinaga naman niya na maging katulad sa larawan ng kanyang anak, upang siya ang maging panganay sa maraming magkakapatid. At yaong mga itinalaga niya ay kanya namang tinawag, at ang mga tinawag niya ay itinuring niyang ganap. At ang mga itinuring na ganap ay niluwalhati din naman niya. So God's foreknowledge is not just foreknowing, but also foreloving. What does this mean, no? Tayo kasing mga tao, lalong-lalo na tayong Christians, God already knew us way before we were born. Bago pa tayo magawa ng ating mga magulang, God is already aware of us. And not only aware, no? God already loves us. Tingin mo, gaano kalala? Hindi pa nga tayo lumalaki. Hindi pa tayo nakagawa. We weren't even conceived, but we have already conceived the love of Christ. Napakaganda. And God's foreloving is the basis of Ordo Salutis, or foreknew, predestined, called, justified, and glorified. So, tayo daw po, nung tayo nakilala na ng Diyos, way before we existed, He called for us. He justified us and He glorified us. Because He loved us. So much. So, God's covenant relationship with us began from the eternal heart of God. Hindi po sa kung anumang rason. Hindi po dahil sa nakagawa na tayo ng tama, kasi we weren't even born. Hindi sa kung tayo ba'y nananampalataya sa Kanya, kasi once again, we weren't even born. Pero God still loved us despite the uncertainty. He didn't love us because of what we did. He loved us because He loved us. He loved us because He is graceful. He is loving. And He is our God. So let's trust God's unbreakable chain of redemption. Let's rest in God's unconditional love for us that will never change. And let's extend the same unconditional love to others. Kung tayo nga nagawang mahalin ng Panginoon nang hindi pa tayo na-conceive, then paano pa kaya mga taong na-conceive na, nakagawa na ng tama? Or kahit na yung mga taong hindi nakagawa ng tama, pero yung mga taong naliligaw, kinakailangan ng guidance, kinakailangan ng tulong. We should all love them just as much as how God has loved us. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to God.